Welcome to another educational presentation from Graphel Carbon Products. Today's presentation will feature Wire EDM information. My name is Ken Dworznik. I am the Midwest Regional Sales Manager for Graphel Carbon Products. Today I will be joined by Bill Heyser, the Engineering and IT Manager at Graphel Carbon Products. Bill has over 25 years of experience in the EDM field and is going to discuss the Wire EDM department at Graphel Carbon Products in Westchester, Ohio. Bill, thanks for taking the time with us today and joining us for this presentation.
Hi, Ken. Thanks for having me on today.
Well, getting right into it, can you talk about the Wire EDM capabilities that Graphel Carbon Products has?
Yes, Graphel has invested in 5 Fanuc Wire EDM machines. We have 2 class sizes of the machines. The smaller of the 2 machines can handle a part up to 10 inches tall, 13.5 inches by 10.5 inches in size. The second class is our larger machine. It'll handle up to a 12-inch tall part, and it can handle a part that's 21 inch by 14.5 inches in size. The tolerance capabilities that we can provide are based on many factors, such as the material being cut, the part thickness, whether or not the part is the finished part that is being made is being cut out of the material, or if it's the material that is left after a portion of that material has been cut out. For example, when straight cutting copper tungsten parts up to 2 inches thick on very thin walled parts that are between 20 and 25 thousandths thick in size on the rib, we've been able to hold plus or minus 5/10 around the profile of the part contour. Depending on the application, skim cuts can be made as finishing passes, which can hold even tighter tolerances. And when making parts, our inside corner radii are typically between 5 thousandths and 10 thousandths in size due to the diameter of the wire that's being used to cut the parts with. So these would be the typical Wire EDM capabilities that Graphel can offer.
Bill, to go along with that, what is the availability at this time of the Wire EDM machines? And if someone is interested in starting a project, how can they get that started?
Graphel currently has Wire EDM capacity available, and we can start a project right away. We are currently operating on 2 shifts, and we can keep the Wire EDM machines running on both of them, and even extended periods into the 3rd shift if need be, by letting the machine run unattended. So basically, we just need the information on the part configuration from the customer, normally a print and part file if they've got one, and we can get up and running quickly.
Bill, since Graphel's been working in the EDM business for over 55 years, talk about some of the advantages Graphel can bring to the table when you decide to work with them with Wire EDM or any other EDM application.
Well, when you partner with Graphel, you're teaming up with a company that has a vast amount of EDM experience. We can anticipate problems that can occur and try to offer solutions, or at a minimum, at least raise those concerns to the customer to see if they're going to be an issue or not. We can also offer suggestions on how to maximize customer value, such as what the optimal order quantities would be to maximize their yield out of a piece of material. Depending on the application, we may be able to make suggestions on materials that may work better. And lastly, we're certainly open to communication with our customers, and you can contact us anytime with questions about the parts or the status of your delivery.
Bill, one important factor that many customers talk about, they like to know the experience of the person they're working with. Can you talk about your experience in the EDM field and what changes you've seen in the industry?
Yeah, Ken, that's an interesting question. I've been working at Graphel since 1993 and have experience in design and manufacturing of EDM tooling. I also have experience in Wire EDM programming and knowledge of the setup methods for both Synchro EDM and Wire EDM machines. We've seen the EDM industry evolve over that period. It's always looking for ways of getting more productive. The machine tools have gone through various phases of improvement over the span of my EDM career. In the early days, EDM was more of an art and less of a science. but as technology has evolved, the power settings have been built into the controls, making it much easier to find settings that work well for your application. Later, we saw the industry start pushing some automation use with robots to load and unload parts into the machines. And that's still being utilized today with high volume applications. Most recently on the sinker side, they have further developed the power supplies to dramatically reduce and in some cases eliminate electrode wear. And they've also been making improvements using technology to allow unattended machining overnight with the ability to have alarms or errors sent to phones or emails to somebody on the other end that can be notified if the machine needs attention. Most recently, there's been a push in wire EDM to offer technology that significantly reduces the amount of EDM wire being needed to operate the machine, which saves the company money during operations. So it's been a continual evolution, and we're always looking for ways to make parts faster and cheaper.
Bill, great information today. We really appreciate your time. If people are interested in more information on Wire EDM or any other products from Graphel Carbon Products, how can they contact you?
The easiest way is to go to the website at www.graphel.com. We can be reached at our main number at 1-800-255-1104, where our customer service team can provide you with information or connect you with one of our engineers for technical assistance.
Bill, thanks again for your time. Thanks for watching this presentation from Graphel Carbon Products. For more information on any Graphel Carbon products, please visit our website at graphel.com. You can also send us an email if you have direct questions, sales@graphel.com. Have a great day.